As we all know, pleasing customers is crucial for the success of any small business. Happy customers are repeat customers, and their word-of-mouth recommendations are your best advertisements. After all, they're free. So how do you create happy customers? It's called customer relationship management, and it's exactly why our guests are here right now. Please welcome to our show Senior Marketing Manager of Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live, Leo Manson, and the owner of 188 Trash It, Sam Jawad.
Thank you.
Did I get enough 8s in there? 1888.
Absolutely, yes.
Welcome to both of you. So, Leo, we need to start with you to just find out a little bit more about CRM and the principles behind it.
Sure. Essentially, if you think of CRM as really, it's a core business application that most organizations need to track one of their most valuable things, and that's their customers. It's really quite that simple.
And so how does CRM Live accomplish this?
So Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live is a brand new service that Microsoft is just now introducing, where we allow companies, small businesses, or any size businesses to access this very powerful Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live application over the internet.
So, Sam, you know there's a saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. I bet you've never heard that before, have you? So how does this all apply to your business, 188 Trash It?
Well, we definitely found the treasure in the trash, so to speak. Just to give you a brief synopsis of who and what we are, we're a full-service junk removal company. What that basically entails is that we come on in, we do all the loading, all the cleanup for you. Basically, all you would have to do is point out the items you want to gone, and our crew simply takes it from there for you.
Wow, that's simple, huh?
Absolutely.
Just call it, they show up and haul it all off. So when did you realize that you needed help and with your customer relationship management and turn to CRM Live?
Well, we're a one corporate headquarter location right now, trying to turn into a multi-level franchising unit. In order to do so, we were looking for a system, a program that would basically centralize, customize, optimize, and basically streamline all the information out to our franchisees and, of course, their workers. We also were looking for a system that would basically integrate with other features that we're trying to incorporate with our system, including our TomTom work system. What that allows us to do is it's a GPS unit, and that gives the franchisee now the ability to basically track and trace all his trucks anywhere in the country. Again, that's a feature that we hold very near and dear to us.
So you had a lot of needs. How did you come to find CRM Live then?
Well, basically, we did a lot of research, a lot of digging through the internet, and lo and behold, we found Microsoft. We were able to contact them directly, and until we were able to work with Leo and his team and the CRM program.
And it went up fairly fast, as I understand.
Absolutely. I mean, just to give you a little brief description on some of the things that we were coming across, we were being priced, first off, somewhere between $20,000 to $100,000 for programs similar to this. Now,
$20,000 to $100,000?
$20,000 to $100,000. CRM came at a fraction of that cost. Also, in doing so, we were able to get up and running within literally a matter of a week. Sometimes the turnaround time with some of these programs was anywhere between 3 to 8 months. So that in itself was huge.
That's vast differences.
Absolutely. And Penny, that's really one of the core things about Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live that we're really trying to bring to the table here is that, you know, small businesses don't have time to wait 6 months to get their customers in play. And so really with CRM Live, what you can do is get started very, very fast, because it's essentially, you're being paid, you're accessing it over the internet immediately, and you're paying us per month. It's really simple. All
right, so it's fast and affordable. Sam, what other features do you like about CRM Live?
Well, again, Microsoft moves at the speed of business, as we like to say.
Right.
And in doing so, basically it saves us a whole lot of loot on our end. We don't have to worry about an IT crew, because the name in itself, CRM Live, that means CRM Microsoft is there at a beck and call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's huge for a small business trying to take that next step and turn to that big business.
Wait, is it hard to keep track of your customers, or is it much easier with this program now?
Oh, day and night, absolutely. We are now able to have a work history for any customers that calls, and this enables us to have a more personal approach with our customers.
I think we have a demonstration we'd like to look at for this, Leo, that can tell us a little bit more about how this tracking service works.
Absolutely. Happy to talk to you about that. So essentially what you've got is within Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live, all the different applications that you need to track your customers are all contained within. You have sales, you have marketing, you have service. So you can measure your marketing, measure your service, measure your sales activities. So essentially, in order to track history, that's really one of the core functions of the product. You just bring up, as we're looking at on the screen here, you bring up an individual contact. Maybe you want to track some information about that contact. And in Sam's case, they've gone out and done some of the pickup work, and they have to do some follow-up work. It's really quite simple. All you do is you add information, and the beauty about it is that that information is now available in a little history record that all the people within your organization can share. So it's a real powerful function that the product adds to it. So again, it promotes collaboration.
And Sam, how does this help you with quality control?
Well, quality control is huge because, one, it enables us to automate all our features, all our quality checks. In doing so, we now have the capability of having a call center representative actually sit at his desk. He may have a queue of names in front of him. With the system, everything's automated, so he cannot go past one system without entailing everything that he must do in order to close that file out.
Leo, why don't you show us an example of this?
Oh, happy to. That's a real powerful function of the product. We have a function called workflow. And what workflow is really quite simply, it's a way to automate repetitive tasks. So as Sam was pointing out, when a certain process is done or a project is completed, really all you have to do is quite simply complete the project. So you go into the CRM Live system, you choose the task that you were working on. So perhaps maybe in Sam's case, they did a trash pickup at one of his organizations. Simply hits close that and boom, it's done. And now that's tracked in the history so that anybody who uses Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live now can see exactly what happens. The beauty of this workflow is that not only did it close that application, but now it's created another task. So somebody needs to do a follow-up phone call. And this task automatically is created, it automatically gets into Outlook, and the appropriate person can make the follow-up phone call. Again, a very powerful feature.
All right, you mentioned something earlier about TomTom and integrating with that. Can you tell me a little bit about how that works for you?
Absolutely. TomTom Works is our GPS navigation system that we're trying to incorporate with the system. And again, with many other systems out there, we couldn't have that option out there. With the CRM Live unit, we were. And basically what that enables us to do is integrate the system together, allowing the franchisee to basically view his trucks, his employees, and have a two-way communication with them at all time. That's huge for us in our industry.
All right. Anything else you want to tell small business owners today? Any words of advice about how to best serve the needs of their customers?
Absolutely. If you're a serious business owner and you're trying to make that transition from small to big business, you need that competitive edge. CRM Live gave 1-888 Trash that competitive edge. And if you don't believe us, hey, just get a franchise and we'll show it to you.
And Ryan, you said this could help him build his franchise, which is one of his big goals, Leo.
Absolutely. And I think one of the things that's important to say is that, to make your CRM Live experience the best, I think it's really important to have an expert involved. And we have a network of partners that can really help you do that. Very important part of the process.
All right, gentlemen, thank you very much for your insight today and all the information. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, more information on Microsoft Dynamics CRM Live and how it can help you manage your customer relationships right here. sbsummit.com/guests. Leo, Sam, thank you so much. More information coming up.